Introduction. So what is this cucumber? What is this cucumber? Before going through the actual concept of cucumber and all those things, first let us know, as we discussed in the demo section, first let us discuss about the framework BDD, behavior driven framework. Behavior driven development framework. So what is this behavior driven development? What is this behavior driven development? So this is one type of framework where we are going to use it for automation development. This is what we can say, right? This is what the answer we are having. But coming to the clear picture or clear example of this behavior driven development, how we are going to deal with in our real time is, suppose, let's say for example, you are working with banking application or finance application or insurance or healthcare application. There is a module or there is a functionality called money transferred or fund transfer related functionality, right? So if you want to transfer money from your account to some other account, you should have some enough balance in your account, right? So that is what required, that is what the prerequisite in order to transfer the money from your account to some other account. So then only you'll be able to transfer the amount from your account to some other account. This is what the scenario. So if you want to transfer, first prerequisite should be your account should have enough balance to transfer that particular amount. Second thing will be the destination details should be correct. Whatever the amount that you are transferring to other account, the other account details should be correct. Second point. And third point is, either it may be NEFT transfer or IMPS transfer. You are transferring money means you are doing the transaction. So that should not get delayed in the banking hours, like morning working hours, morning 9:30 to 6:30 or 10 o'clock to 7 o'clock. In between that, there should not be any delay in transfer the amount. And fourth thing is, you can consider the bank holidays also. So if bank is on holiday, you need to transfer the amount. So like that, there are some behavioral steps that we can consider in order to make a scenario under this behavior driven development. So those are nothing but test scenarios where you are trying to transfer the amount from one account to some other account. Yeah, tell me. Fine. So whatever the scenario that we are discussing, when we are talking about this behavior driven development, in BDD, that will be more elaborated, and it is somewhat very easy to design the script. Even we can say this is what we are going to deal with in behavior driven development. So in behavior development, it is easy to write the scripts. And every scenario will be considered to be the behavior of that particular functionality in the application. And third thing, even complex functionality make easy to understand when the user writes the designs the script in Cucumber or BDD, we can say. The test scenarios along with test cases what designed by automation developers will be useful for programmers also. So this is what the simple description, like whatever the things that we are going to deal with by using BDD, this is what we are going to have. So does anyone have any questions? No? Okay, fine. Next thing. Remember that as we discussed, as we are saying every time, that Cucumber script is always a simple English language and it is nothing but Jerkins. Like that, not only in Cucumber, behavior driven development itself is having that feature. Means every tool will have its own feature. Like that, under this BDD framework, we have one tool, nothing but Cucumber, which we want to learn through Cucumber only. So in this Cucumber, mainly we are going to design the script by using three words regularly. You can say these three words as a keywords in Cucumber, which are nothing but given, second thing is when, and third thing is then. Third thing is then. These three are the main words in Jerkins by Cucumber, so that by using these three words only, you are going to design the scripts. You can design the scripts and you can execute the scripts even. Today I am going to write some simple example here, so that after that we will see the exact thing what is going to be happened after environment setup and all those things. So earlier to this session, so we discussed about one scenario, fund transfer related scenario, right? Fund transfer scenario. So I'm going to write an example related to that scenario only. Fund or money transfer from one account to another account. So one account to another account. This is what the scenario is, and I want to write the script for this scenario. Possibilities. What are all the possibilities that we discussed? First possibility. your account should have enough balance to transfer. Second possibility, destination account details should be correct. And third point is irrespective of transfer type, the amount should be transferred to another account in bank working time. And last one is fourth point, we can say fund needs to be transferred even on holidays. So this is what the possibilities are having. Okay, now in Cucumber or in BDD, the script will be like this. So example I'm going to write. So we will write the same script after our configuration and installation has been done. Okay, the script follows like this. Given that a money transfer module in net banking app has been developed, and I am accessing proper authentication. So this is what the main thing that I want to have. Given this is the keyword, oh, sorry. So if I want to, if I'm changing one thing, everything is going to be changed. So I want to focus this one. So given that money transfer module in net banking application has been developed and I'm accessing it with proper authentication. This is what the first point I am using with given. And next thing, I want to write the possibilities here next in the next point. When I shall transfer with enough balance in my account. Any one possibility is fine here. So or I shall transfer the fund on bank holidays, and the destination account details are correct, and authentication details are correct, and press or click on send button. Now, when has been completed. Now we need to talk about then. Then fund must be transferred, and your event or cookie will be logged in log file. So this is what the script is. Here you'll have a question. When I'm writing the script about when, here I am using R and here I am using and. What is this or what is this and? Nice. So this is what we are going to write the scripts in BDD. So first thing is we are going to mainly focus on given part, what you have given, and is multiple validations. Yes, and is multiple validations, that's right. So this is what behavior driven script will be. So like that we are going to write the scripts even in Cucumber. So before knowing the actual script of Cucumber, to understand how it will be and how all the things are going to be linked, we discuss this concept. This BDD script mainly focus on three types of things. One is given, second one is when, and third one is then. Means given means what you have given, when means what are all the possibilities for the given scenario, and then means once you have done with the possibilities, what are all the things that needs to be happened with then. This is what script has to be prepared. This is what script has to be designed in order to complete the scenario by using your analytical method. Understand? Here or and or comma and are both operators, we can say. In any technical language, or operator will be there and operator will be there. Or operator will be used only in the case of any one of the conditions that I want to accept. Suppose let's say for example here I have two things here. When I shall transfer with enough balance in my account, first thing, or I shall transfer the fund on bank holidays. Either one I want to accept here. So either I have an amount in my account, or even on bank holidays also I want to transfer the amount. Consider any one of the condition from these two, and you have to accept all these three conditions, remaining conditions, by using AND operator. First thing is the destination account details should be correct. That is the mandatory thing. Authentication details are correct. That is the second mandatory thing. And then you have to click on send button. So then only the money will transfer from your account to some other account. These three are mandatory validations, and any one of the above validations will be considered. And then once click on send button has been done, then what needs to be happened? The money should be transferred to another account first thing, and every system will be logged with event or cookie in your log file regularly. Okay, this is what every system will be happened internally, that we don't know. Even if you log into Gmail application, or if you are going to browse anything, or if you are browsing the data, everything will be logged in your system, which is nothing but a temporary cookie or permanent cookies concept, where you are going to see it in your users library of your C drive. So that we are not going to focus about. But anyways, whatever the thing that you have been accessed, that will be logged into your system log file. So understand? Any questions? Now I am going to the complete concept of cucumber. So first and foremost point that we can say here is cucumber comes under BDD. Cucumber comes under BDD, and we know how this BDD, behavior driven development frameworks, looks like, and what are all the things that we can handle with BDD and all. But here also in cucumber, when you are writing the script like BDD as we seen, so that is also nothing but Jerkins language only. It is not at all a technical language. It is just a simple English vocabulary where we are going to design the scripts by using that language. And the person who is not having technical knowledge also can understand this cucumber scripts easily, right? So we have written that script, we can write the script in easy format also. In easy format also, basically, who are the users for this cucumber? Who are the users for this cucumber? We know how to write the script in BDD and what is cucumber, but who will use this cucumber? This cucumber will be used by the automation developers, business analysts, product owners, product lead, development lead, like that. So BDD framework will be used by all these departments, so that they are going to use the scripts and they are going to execute the scripts in the same way. Okay, not only in BDD, every framework will have one structure how to design the test scripts. How to design the test scripts, that we will discuss in later session. But in today's session, this BDD or cucumber will have a feature called to use only simple English language where everyone can understand with that particular functionality. It's all about not only a simple functionality, even complex functionality also we can deal with cucumber. So this cucumber or BDD will be used by automation developers, business analysts, product owners, development leads. There are so many departments who are using this behavior driven development. So to start with behavior driven development, what are all the advantages of cucumber? Now completely we are talking about only cucumber, so we'll talk about the advantages of cucumber. Okay, first thing, it focus mainly on the end user experience or customer experience, we can say. It focuses mainly on the end user or customer experience, what they are having. Next thing, it will allow you to reuse the existing script in multiple ways. It will allows the user to the script reuse the script which were already designed, we can say. Means whatever the scripts that you have been designed, you can reuse the script and you can execute the same script again and again and again. So there will not be any issue by executing such type of scripts for multiple times. And easy to configure and execute the scripts. Configuration is easy, installation is easy, and execution of scripts are also very easy. Okay, and the person who are not having technical or programming knowledge also can understand easily, means the person who are not having technical or programming language, they can understand it easily by using this Cucumber script. And one more thing, it is free of cost. So no need to purchase anything. So just it is a free of cost. You can download it and you can use it directly in your system. So there is no need of buying plugins, or there is no need of buying add-ons or commercial values, or nothing will be there here. Just you can download it from Google or any search engine and you can access the features of Cucumber. So will it support only Jenkins or simple programming languages, or whatever the demo session we discussed? The initial version of Cucumber supports Ruby programming language, Ruby Rails. Now it is supporting to Java, Scala, Groovy, Jenkins, different languages it is going to be supported. But we are not going to talk about all the languages, just we are going to write the scripts in our own format what we have designed in this session. Okay, the scripts will be useful for both testers and developers. The scripts will be useful for both testers and developers. So these are all the advantages of Cucumber. These are all the advantages of Cucumber. Like advantages, we have one disadvantage with Cucumber. So anyone? Any idea? Any guess? Exactly. Supports only web applications. Supports only web applications. It will not support mobile applications or standalone applications or desktop or Windows based applications. Uh, I think everyone knows about the types of applications what they are having, what we have in the market. Not only web applications, we have mobile applications, standalone applications, and we have desktop or Windows based applications. Types of applications are there in the market. So anyone have any questions on these things? So misunderstanding means how you misunderstood the script what I have written. That is what we are saying, Harshita. Here not only writing the script, just we are conveying the information. If you want to write the script in the same format, you can write it in the same format. Or if you want to change the vocabulary, you can change the vocabulary. If you want to change the sentence formation, you can change the sentence formation. But whatever the keywords that we have discussed, given, when, then, these three are mandatory. If you want to change everything, you can change it everything. But before changing the scenarios or test cases what you are going to write, before changing the scenarios or test cases what you are going to write, make sure that everything will be in your hands to write the particular script in your own format. But every format should have at least these three keywords: what you have given, what are all the possibilities when you are writing that particular script, and what happened in the then keyword. So these three things are mandatory. And next thing, Rizwan Muhammad. It's only in my own words, but doesn't mean other person should also read in the same way. That is what. If you want to change the format, you can change the format. There is no rule that the other person is having that much grammatical skills and all those things, right? So maybe or may not be. We can't say that one. It's all about depending upon the analysis and understanding skills what we have written in the script. And coming to Rizwan Muhammad question. So it means for mobile application testing, we can't use BDD framework. Mostly we are not going to use BDD framework for mobile applications because no one will concentrate on how it works and how the things are going to be happen. And one more thing, for mobile automation also recently it came into the market for huge demand. So like Appium tool, Selenium, different tools are there for mobile automation also. Now whatever the BDD framework that we have in the market, that is not suitable for the mobile applications. Due to that reason, mobile applications testing is not possible with BDD framework, we can say. So any questions? So I'm going to stop this session now. So we are going to deal with Cucumber basics from tomorrow onwards. Today we have discussed the introduction of Cucumber, and in tomorrow's session we will have a concept related to feature file and how to design the script more efficiently by using all the keywords in that particular feature file. Okay, and we will see the installation in this week itself, and we will complete the configuration and installation part in your systems also. Okay, yes, thank you. Have a great day.